Hi guys, have you ever wondered how accessible the web is for the visually impaired? If so, I'm pretty sure that you have heard of tools such as the Apple VoiceOver, the Android Accessibility Suite, Orca Linux, and maybe even the Chrome screen reader extension. However, the visually impaired still face troubles in feeling comfortable in today's web, which is filled with more and more disrupting ads. We believe that we can help fill the gaps that most screen readers may not reach their full potential in, and that is a specialized screen reader just for web browsing.
Let us give you a sneak peek into our product at hand. So we'll be making a Chrome extension which requires a JSON file for some information to be provided to the browser. So let us go to our IDE and see the JSON file now. As you can see, we have enabled it to work on all websites as seen from the URL tag. And we have also allowed the permissions for text-to-speech to run. So this ensures that we are able to inject our JavaScript file to run on all websites. Okay, so let us go to Chrome now. And as you can see, we have already installed our extension here, which is Sync. So we have a test program set up which will allow us to read the different paragraphs of a web page. So let us go to New York Times now, and we can test out this program. So if I were to reload this page, I've made a custom alert, and as you can see, the program is ready to run. So on a particular key press, in this case for us, we press the number 1 key, it will start reading out the different paragraphs.
Is there a shadow army trying to bring down the German government? Jake Tapper discusses why he won't let liars on his show. We would like to hear from readers who want to share messages and materials with our journalists. The criminal inquiry includes looking at whether Ukrainian officials funneled misleading information about President Biden through Rudolph Giuliani. The Biden administration recently defended 3 big oil and gas projects, raising concerns among environmentalists that climate policy is in trouble.
Okay, so hope that was not too fast and you have been able to catch what the engine was saying. But do not worry, as we are able to also change the speed and volume of the text-to-speech. So as of now, it might not look that impressive, but it helps us to form the baseline on how to implement JavaScript code client-side rather than the developer side. So one of our key features of our app is that pre-existing voiceovers or text-to-speech parsers have no ad detection function. So this is a huge problem for the visually impaired, and we hope that by the end of the developing phase, we are able to let users identify ads and make a more streamlined and easy way to block them. We will be using EasyList, which is a list of sites and tags that ad block users to filter out our ads. If you would like more info, you can take a look at our README on our GitHub page. And with that, thanks for watching.
Hi, we got it up to the Chrome Web Store. You can take a look. It's pretty easy to install it. You can just search up Sync. And be sure to select extensions, and you'll be able to see it. It's right here, Sync. So in order to add this, we can just click here, add to Chrome, and if you see here, it's just going to tell me what Sync wants to do, and I'm just going to add the extension. Now, to get started with Sync, there's only a few configurations that we need to do, and really just one of it is to go into the options.
All options are used with the Alt key.
So we have something to tell them
Changing option for
of
paragraphs.
their settings that they have to put. So I could put a
Changing option for headers. Changing option for hyperlink search.
Basically, there are some stuff that we believe that we should tell the user, which is D, E, F / these are stuff that the user should not be able to use because these are either global commands or they are already Chrome keybinds. So
Changing option for hyperlinks. Changing option for sequence reading. Invalid keybind used for hyperlink
if
search.
I did enter invalid keybind, it's gonna tell me, hey, you have an invalid keybind.
Changing option for hyperlink search.
Alright, so let's say I'm done, right?
Changing option for
so this
sequence
is all
reading.
accessible through tab. I don't have to use my mouse.
Options saved.
Alright, okay. Yeah, so given this page where there's very little ads, I mean, you won't even know unless I turn it off, right? And let's say I refresh it, and my ads are here, right? This ad, and you know, this advertisement pops up, this ad comes up, but if I were to turn it on, it goes away, right? We got the ads, yeah.
New York expected to require vaccines for all city workers. We're stuck. Local officials fight misinformation to combat variants. Anthony Fauci is promoting an ambitious plan to make prototype vaccines to protect against future pandemics.
Seems to be working pretty well, right? Yeah, so we got our ad blocking function. If you need to check out our GitHub, we have a pretty good write-up there. Over here as well. We have our Git. And everything's packaged and ready to go.